I searched the world, but it couldn't fill me. Man's empty praise, treasures that fade, are never enough. Then you came along and put me back together, and every desire is now satisfied here in your love. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Lord, there's nothing, nothing is better than you. And I'm not afraid to show you my weakness, my failures and flaws. Lord, you've seen them all, and you still call me friend. 'Cause the God of the mountain is the God of the valley, and there's not a place your mercy and grace won't find me again. No, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Lord, there's nothing, nothing is better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Lord, there's nothing, nothing is better than you. You turn mourning to dancing, you give beauty for ashes, you turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn mourning to dancing, you give beauty for ashes, you turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens, you turn bones into armies, you turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you. Lord, there's nothing, nothing is better than you. You turn mourning to dancing, you give beauty for ashes, you turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens, you turn bones into armies, you turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Graves into Gardens by Elevation Worship / Brandon Lake. If you play guitar and you notice some chords that you liked in here, that's because they were advanced guitar chords. That's why this is called an advanced guitar cover. And if that's you and you want to learn more advanced guitar chords, I have something for you. It's called 25, I was going to say like 55, but not quite. 25 advanced guitar chords. It's just a PDF of a bunch of guitar chords that you can use. You can substitute them for the chords that you would normally play and level up your guitar playing. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.